guys, welcome back to Gerard Cosmetics channel. My name's Serena Adriana and I'm going to show you guys how I cover up my acne scars using my foundation, and as well I'm going to be incorporating our BB Illumination facial cream. Let's get started. Before I start, I really like to prime my face with the Slay All Day setting spray. This is my Fenty Beauty Pro filter, and I'm also mixing that in with my Peach Perfect Too Faced foundation. Go ahead and get your wet beauty blender and then just start dabbing this all over your face. Now going in with my BB Illumination cream, I'm going to put that in the back of my hand and apply it with my beauty blender on my cheekbones, on my nose. I'm going to be using the Ben Nye Banana Powder. This is my first time using it, so I'm really excited to do this. So I'm just baking on the areas that I get really oily, and as for my under eyes, I just want my concealer to crease, which is why I've applied it there. Going in with my LA Maya brush, I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the excess. And you just want to brush it off. Now that our cheekbones are nice and glowy, second step that you want to do is chisel up your cheekbones using our Starlit Honeymoon palette. If you want to see that, I have a contour tutorial linked for you. Get some product and then just apply it to the cheekbone. What I love about Bridgette is that it's a really pretty rose gold color and it reflects so nicely when the sun is hitting your face. It's one of my favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. So this is the finished look. If you want to know how to win your own, I'm actually going to give one lucky winner a BB Illumination cream. All you have to do is like this video and subscribe to our channel to win this.